I want you to know that people don't have any motives for walking, and there are other people walks on the foot to work to saving money. But with electric steps, they have goals. You don't just walk, but you produce electric energy. Also, if you stay at home and power outage, and you want to charge your phone, what you have to do, just walk, and you will be able to charge your phone. Why people use electric steps? I'll give you an example. In this day and crisis of COVID-19, most of us stay at home without any activities. So with electric steps, you can produce electric energy, save some money, and keep healthy. So with all of this, you have an important part in your life and the whole world, because you contribute in saving the world and reduce energy crisis. Also, in some countries, the electric bill is expensive and takes money away. But with electric steps, you will decrease this bill by charging your phone, laptop, and other electronics. I really hope to show you our project. But when we made it, we left it in the school. But this prototype is really similar to it. Depend on energy conservation law, energy neither destroy nor created from nil. Now, on every step you do, you will transfer kinetic energy to electric energy, and it will go to bridge rectifier and capacitor. Finally, it will go to the battery to charge it. Now my friend will explain how we made the connection.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Now I'll talk about how we built our project. We used 3 pieces to charge our battery, whereas our battery is needed 7 volt or more to charge. So we needed to use copper wire to connect it between battery and pieces. And we used a bridge rectifier to convert the electric current from AC to DC, because the battery is needed a DC current to charge. And we use a capacitor to charging and discharging the electric current in the battery. So our electric circuit are made from piezoelectric, copper wire, bridge rectifier, capacitor, battery, and thank you.
Thank you. Now we'll talk about the way used to produce energy. We'll talk about the piezoelectric effect. The piezoelectric effect was discovered first in the past. It was discovered from quartz, which when you slice it in right angle, it gives you a voltage. This voltage was first thought it was a fire, but it was a voltage of electricity. This voltage can be used in many things. Now the piezo was developed and made of a small object. This small object, when you press on it, it gives you energy. It's made from a spring. This spring, when you press on it, and potential energy go inside it. Then when it goes back to its place, it hit a hammer. This potential energy changed to be a kinetic energy. When it hit the hammer, which name is a crystal piezo, when it hits the hammer make it change from an kinetic energy to an voltage. This voltage can be used in many things. In real, this voltage is used in the trigger. What happens in the trigger is that when you press, a voltage go out and react with the gas. When it reacts with the gas, the fire was made. And it is how the trigger made, and it is the simplest example for the piezo. And thank you for listening for us, and we hope you enjoy.